Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today we're going to talk about how to manifest using the law of attraction using water. Now listen, this is a simple technique, and the reason I'm doing this again is because I get a lot of people that are asking me, Yvette, give us some manifesting techniques that are simple and easy to use that actually really work. So that's why we're back to this video right here, and I'm going to show you how to exactly use water to manifest, and I'm going to give you guys some simple techniques. Now, listen, if you're serious about changing your life, watch this video all the way to the end. And again, if you're new to this channel, this is a manifesting law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives you manifesting techniques in all forms, all in one place. So like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more videos or if you want to join the family. Now, if you want to know how to manifest using water, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about water and how you can use it to manifest basically about anything you want in your life? Now listen, if you haven't watched or researched or Googled Dr. Emoto's water experiment, I'm asking you to do so. On this channel here, I don't give you guys information and not tell you how to look it up and find more information for yourselves. Dr. Emoto proved that water holds emotions and transforms based on the emotions you're giving it. It showed that when you speak positive or negative things about something that contains a lot of water, you are actually transforming that item, that thing. And we're talking about your drinking water. We're talking about ourselves. We are at least 65% water. So whatever you're saying to yourself, you are absolutely transforming that water that's inside of you that is making up your bodies, making up your cells into whatever it is you constantly tell yourself. Now, where am I going with this? Okay, again, I've done this video before. I'm bringing it back to you because it's one of the most easiest manifesting techniques that you can use to change your life. Now, what are we going to do? And how are we going to use this water to basically manifest whatever it is in our life? Now remember, whatever it is you say about yourself, you are putting that out to the universe. I am ugly, I am poor, I am rich, I am healthy, I am loved. Whatever it is you believe about yourself, you keep repeating to yourself, the universe gives it to you. Now, what is a faster way of getting what you want in life? It's going to be using water. Because we know water holds in emotions, and whatever it is you're telling water, you are absolutely changing this, or you're programming the water to be, do, or whatever it is you want in your life. So when you hold water and you say, I am successful, I am loved, I am prosperous, you are actually programming this water to be that, okay? Now, how are we going to do this? We're going to use phrases that we're going to speak to the water. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do this, you guys, so there's no misunderstandings. You're going to come up with a simple phrase of one thing that you want. Now, listen, you guys, don't go right at me saying, Yvette, I want to manifest this, that, a house, a car, money, richness, all this stuff all at one time. For this experiment, I want you to focus on one area in your life that you want something. Maybe you need extra money, $50,000, $20,000, or you just want to say, I am wealthy, or I am healthy. Whatever it is, I want you to come up with an affirmation that states something that you want as if it is already done for one thing, okay? If you're talking about your health, it would be, I am healthy, okay? If you're talking about success at your business or your job, I am successful, or I have a successful business. Whatever it is, I want you to keep it short, but I want you to state exactly what it is that you're trying to manifest. And I want you to give me some time with this because you need to have the universe to move things around. Okay? Not only do we need the water to be programmed and the water to program you, but we're going to need to give the universe time to move things around to bring things in your life. So some of you might get results right away. Some of you might take a week, some 2 weeks, some 30 days, or some more. It's all based on what it is you believe about yourself and how you're carrying out this experiment. The next thing I want to tell you is that you're going to get a glass, okay? Now you can use a bottle, so don't write me and say, "Yvette, can we use a bottle?" You can use a bottle, but for me, I like to use glass. You're going to get a bottle or jug of water. Now, don't ask me what type of water. I use filtered water from my refrigerator. You can use Poland Spring, whatever it is. You can use tap water. Whatever it is your cleanest source of water. That is what I want you to use. So please don't write and give me all these things about water. The next thing you're going to do, again, you're going to come up with an affirmation, okay, of what it is that you want. One thing. Now, I'm going to give you 2 ways of doing this. If you're doing this verbally, I want you to come up with an affirmation. And again, you're going to state it as if it is already done. And you guys always know, I tell you to be grateful, to be very grateful for whatever it is that you already have as if it is already done. So it could be, thank you, God, for blessing me with perfect health. Thank you, God, for blessing me with a successful business. Thank you, God, for blessing me with success. Thank you, God, for blessing me with wealth. Whatever it is, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am happy, whatever it is. But I feel when you thank the universe for already giving it to you, it is just that much more powerful. So what you're going to do, you're going to put, you can program a whole jug of water, keep it in your refrigerator, or you can do individual glasses. So you're going to put some water in a glass, okay, like this. I want you to rub your hands together. I really want you to rub your hands together and feel the heat within your hand. Now, while you're doing this, I want you to visualize yourself being, doing, and having whatever it is that you want in life. So let's just say it is perfect health. You're going to visualize yourself being perfectly healthy, walking, running, jogging, or at the doctor's office and the doctor saying you are perfect, whole, and complete. Whatever it is that you need to do to make yourself believe that this is true. Once you build up enough energy and heat between your hands, I want you then to hold this glass and continue to visualize yourself having, being, and doing whatever it is that you want. Now, another thing you can do, you can basically visualize yourself having these things and at the same time speaking, thank you, God, for blessing me with perfect health. Thank you, God, for blessing me with perfect health. Thank you, God, for blessing me with perfect health. I am perfect, whole, and complete. However you want to do it, use your own words. When it comes from yourself, there's more energy and power because it's coming from within and it's something that you really want in your life. Now, once you do that, there's certain things you can do. You can absolutely drink this water at this moment, but I'm going to give you another technique because you guys know this is how we do it on this channel. Now, another thing you can do this at night, okay? And basically hold the glass in your hand and place the glass somewhere where the moon is shining, a full moon, a new moon, a waxing moon, whatever it is that you want to do. Now, you can do this at any time, but these are certain things that I would do. Maybe during a full moon, a new moon, whatever. You want to place this in the direction of the moon or somewhere in your house during these lunar phases, okay? In the morning, you can drink the water. Again, visualizing, stating whatever it is you want at night, and then placing it either near your nightstand or in the windowsill. I tend to like to place my water right by my nightstand. so that it is absorbing whatever it is that I'm saying while I'm in the bed and I'm going to sleep, and the water is absorbing it. Now, in the morning, I want you to continue to say, thank you, God, for blessing me with perfect health. I am perfect, whole, and complete. I want you then to hold that glass in your hand again. You can even cause some more energy to build up in your hand again. Hold the glass in your hand again, and if you want to, you can look at it to see if the glass has changed in any form, any manner, and then drink the water. It's just that simple. This water has been programmed to be, do, and give whatever it is you want in your life. Now, another tip that I want to give you guys, you can very much write something on a piece of paper and place it on the glass, okay? And tape it on the glass. Or you can place it on a pitcher and keep it there and place it in your refrigerator. Again, repeating whatever it is I told you before. Programming the water. Actually placing notes, affirmations on your water. You can write, thank you, God, for perfect health. Thank you, God, for perfect health. And you can place it on the glass, place it in the refrigerator, and every day pour from that water. Now, one extra thing that I want to tell you guys that I do for myself, and I use sacred geometry. Here it is, I have a glass with the flower of life, okay? And this is on this glass, and I use this to basically manifest whatever it is that I want in my life. Now, I'll use this glass to do my water technique. Why? Because it has a sacred geometry sign on it. You can use anything, a picture from Google, a sticker, maybe you have a necklace that you bought from my site. You can tape that on the glass, whatever it is. But remember, you guys, sacred geometry is the building blocks for creation. So I place the sign on my glass, and I use this to manifest with. Now listen, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I just gave you another powerful technique using water. If you're serious about changing your life, follow the steps that I just gave you and try to incorporate some of the tips that I added, and listen, you will see results. The main thing I want to tell you is you must take action, you guys. On this channel, I tell everyone to take action. If you're looking for perfect health, take action towards perfect health. Do this technique and know that the universe has already blessed you. Thank you, God, for perfect health. Thank you, God, for success. Thank you, God, for wealth. Thank you, God, for love and happiness. Whatever it is that you want in your life, pick one and use the water technique. You'll be writing me saying, Yvette, it worked. Now, if you want more videos from My World of Metaphysics and you're interested in manifesting techniques, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. If you want to know more about My World of Metaphysics, please look in the description. One-on-one coaching, reading, crystals, candles, sage, anything that I put on my videos is at the store. So if you want these things, look in the description, go to the website, and it's all there. Again, everyone, namaste.